Next problem is f of ABCD equal to sigma m of 0, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13 by using the tabular method. Okay, in tabular method, in this we don't use any Boolean equations or any Boolean theorems or rules. Okay, and in this the first step is we write down the all min terms in binary form, and second step is write down the number of ones, and third step is comparing the each group, at least one is difference is there, and next step is write down the product terms and write down the Boolean equations. Okay, these are the steps for the tabular method. First we see the tabular method. First we write down the all min terms and binary representation. Okay, in min terms the given input variables are A, B, C, D. Okay, first we write down the all min terms. The first min term is M0, that binary number is 0, 0, 0, and next M2 0, 0, 1, 0, and next M3 0, 0, 1, 1, next M6 0, 1, 1, 0, next M7 0, 1, 1, next M8 1, 0, and next 10 M10 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0, and next M12 is 1, 1, 0, and next M13 is 1, 1, 0, 1. This is the binary representation in given min terms. And next write down the min terms and binary representation. And next column is also min terms and binary representation. Okay, and second step is comparing the number of ones. First you write down the all zeros is there, so M0, that binary number is all zeros, and next this is considering one group, and next number of ones, here M1, in M2 only one is there, and next one is M8, here also only one is there, and next write down the M2, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, and next only one in M8, that binary number is 1, 0, 0. This is one group. And next number of ones are 2 is there, and next number of ones is 2 is there. Okay, M3, number of ones is 3, so write down that min term M3, the binary bit is 0, 0, 1, 1, and next M6 binary number is 0, 1, 1, 0, and next number of ones are 2, that is M10 binary representation is 1, 0, 1, 0, and next M12 number is binary bit is 1, 1, 0, here number of ones is 2, and next considering the number of ones are 3, there M7 number representation is 0, 1, triple one. Then next M13. M13 is 1101. Okay, all are completed. M8 is also 1 and M0. Okay, first group is all zeros and next group is number of ones are 1 and the third group is number of ones are 2 and fourth group number of ones are 3. Okay, and next mean terms and next binary representation and next binary representation. Here in third step we comparing the each group, at least one difference is there. Okay, and next M0 is comparing the next group is M2 and M8, that is only one is difference is there, 0 0 and 0 0 0 1. Here only one difference is there, so write down the that mean term M0 and M2. The number representation is 0 0 and here also 0 0 and 0 1. This place is different, so indicates the dash. And next 0 0 and next M0 is comparing the M8 0 1, only one position is difference, so write down that mean term also M0 and M8, that is 0 1, that is dash, and 0 0 0 0 and 0 0. Okay, and next M0 is comparing the third group, that is M0 and M3 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Here also two positions are different. And next M0 and M6 0 0 0 1 0 1. And next are two difference is there, so this is considering one group. And next M2 and M8 M8, this group is comparing the next group M2 and M3 0 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 1, only one position is difference, so write down the that mean term, that is M2 and M3. So 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 and 1 0, that is dash. And next M2 comparing the M6 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. Here also one position is different, that is M2 and M6. 0 0 0 1, that indicates dash, and 1 1 and 0 0. And next M2 comparing with M10 0 1 0 0 1 1, and here also compare M2 and M10. We mark the comparing the mean terms. M2 and M3 is also completed. M2 and M6, here this is also completed. The next M2 and M8 0 1, that is difference, and 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. And next M2 comparing with M12 0 1 0 1, two positions is there, so don't write the mean term. And next M and M10 is also completed. And next M2 and M12 0 1 and 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M8 and M3 0 1 0, here also 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M8 and M6 1 0 and 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M8 and M10 0 1 1 0 0 0 1, only one position is changed, so write down that mean term M8 and M10. In M8 and M10 1 1 0 0 is there. And next 0 1, third position is changes. And next 0 0. And next M8 and M12 1 1 0 1, only one position is changes, so write down that mean term M8 and M12. that is 1 1, and next 0 1 second position is changes, and next bits are 0 0, and this group is completed. And next M8 and M7 1 0, two positions are changes, and M8 and M13 here also two positions are changes. This group is completed. And next M3 is comparing the M7. Okay, M3 and M7 here 0 0 0 1. Okay, write down that mean term M3 and M7. M3 and M7, in M3 0 0 0 1, only second position is changes, that is 0 dash double 1. And next M3 and M13 0 1 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M6 and M7 0 0 1 1 1 1, only one position is changes, that is M6 and M7. In M6 and M7 0 0 1 1 1 1, fourth bit is changes, 0 1 1 dash. And next M6 and M13 0 1 1 1 0, two positions are changes. And next M6 and M7 1 0 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M10 and M13 1 1 0 1, two positions are changes. M10 and M13 1 1 0 1 1 0. And next M12 and M7 0 1 0 1, two positions are changes. And next M12 and M13 1 1 1 1 0. So we comparing these both are M12 and M13. M12 and M13, the minterm binary number is 1110, fourth bit is changes. And next minterms and binary representation. Okay, here also we write down the comparing the minterms, at least one position is difference, M0 M2 0 0 0 0 dash 1 0 dash, so don't write. And next M0 and M2 M2 and M6 0 0 0 dash 1 dash, so don't write. And next M0 and M2 2 10 0 dash 0 0 1 dash, so don't write. And next 0 to M10 1 0 1 0 0 dash, so. And here M0 and M2 and M8 and M10, here we write down the minterms M0 M2 M8 M10. Here 0 1, that is dash, and 0 0 and dash dash and 0 0, it is completed. And next 0 to 8 12 0 1 0 dash, two differences. 7 6 7 12 13 2 3 0 0 0 dash, there is no comparing. And next 2 3 and 6 7 0 0 0 1 dash 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 and 1 1 2 3 6 7 0 1 2 3 6 7 M2 M3 M6 and M7. Here 0 0, next 0 1, that is dash, and 1 1 and dash dash. Okay, here and 2 6 and 3 7 0 0 dash dash and 1 1 0 1. Here 2 6 and 3 7 2 6 3 7, this is also completed. And next 2 10 and 3 7 0 dash dash 0, there is not comparing. And next 2 10 and 6 7 0 dash 0 1, there is no comparing. And next 8 10 3 7, there is no comparing. In this 3 comparisons is there. Here 3 7 3 7 and next 2 6, This is repeated. And next, and this is considering one group. On the prime implicant table, in prime implicant table we write down the min terms, okay, and next min terms and inputs and binary representation. And binary representation. Okay, this is prime implicant table. Here we write down the comparing. What are the comparing the min terms? We write down the that min terms only, and does not comparing the any group. We also write down the that min terms also. Okay, first you write down these two min terms, M0, M2, M8 and M10. That inputs are, this is the binary representation is A, B, C, D. This is binary representation is dash 0 dash 0. Inputs are considering A, B, C, D in given problem. Okay, this is A, B bar, C, D bar, that is BD bar. Okay, and next group is M2, M3, M6 and M7. In this, the binary representation is 0 dash and 1 dash, and here this is A bar, B is not there, and C. Okay, this is considering one group. And next write down the don't match the any group, that write down the min terms M12 and M30, and next M8 and M12. First write down the M12 and M13. In binary representation is 110 dash, that is A, B, C bar, A, B, C bar. And next M8 and M12. Number representation is 1 dash 00. This is A, C bar, D bar, A, C bar, D bar. This is the prime implicant table. And note down the chart, tabular method. And next write down the prime implicant. Prime implicants, and note down the all min terms. It is M0, next M2, next M3, M6, M7, M8, M10, M12 and M13. These are the given min terms 0 to 30. M0, M2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 13. Okay. In prime implicant table, we write down the all min terms M0, M2, M8 and M10. So we mapping the that min terms only. Okay. M0 is here, and next M2 is here, and next M8 is here, and next M10 is here. This is one group. And next M2, 3, 6, 7. M2, M3, M6 and M7, M2 is here, M3 is here, next M6 and M7. This is one group, and next group is 12 and 13, that is M12 and M13. We dot with that many terms, M12 and M13. And next group M8 and M12. M8 is here, M8 and M12. M8 is here and M12 is here. Okay. And this is the prime implicant chart. And next write down the equation. How to write the equation? Here M12 and M13. Okay. Here M8 and M12. This group is repeated in other minterms. Okay. M8 is repeated in this group. M12 is repeated in this group, 12 and 13 group, and M8 is repeated in this group. Okay, these are repeated minterms. So neglect this one and write down the equation. How to write the equation? Here M8, M0, 2, 8, 10. In this group, what is the equation here? This is B bar D bar. So finally we write down the equation, that is therefore f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to, in this group M8 2 8 10, in this group this is b bar d bar, b bar d bar plus, and next 2 3 6 7, in this group we are using the a bar c, a bar c, and next M12 and M13, M12 and M13, in this group a b c bar plus a b c bar. This is the Boolean equation for the given problem.